Coronavirus vaccine entering human trials after receiving FDA approval. Inovio has been well ahead of other pharmaceutical companies with regards to getting a working coronavirus vaccine into worldwide circulation. A vaccine, funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, designed to treat the disease caused by the coronavirus, COVID-19, has entered into the human stages of testing after the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, approved their application to begin trials under the classification of an investigational new drug program following promising results achieved during animal testing. Inovio Pharmaceuticals, the developers behind the Inovio DNA vaccine, began injecting volunteers with their first dose of the vaccine Monday. The second dose will be administered 4 weeks later. Inovio is expecting the initial data from the trials result by late summer. The methodology for the trial period will include 40 healthy adult volunteers, each of which will receive 2 doses of Inovio selected through screening processes carried out at Philadelphia's Perelman School of Medicine at the University of Pennsylvania and the Center for Pharmaceutical Research in Kansas City. The first trial phase is intended to determine the safety and immunogenicity of the vaccine. The second will be the clinical trials, which will test the effectiveness of the vaccine in treating COVID-19. Inovio has been well ahead of other pharmaceutical companies with regards to getting a working coronavirus vaccine into worldwide circulation. A spokesperson for the company told reporters that the firm developed a vaccine construct for its coronavirus vaccine within 3 hours of the public release of the viral sequence, SARS-CoV-2, on January 10, adding they have already manufactured the vaccine and began preclinical trials within that time. Inovio has manufactured thousands of doses of their new vaccine in a few weeks' time to support the trial periods thanks to the support of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, among other funding such as Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, CEPI. CEPI has so far invested in the development of 6 vaccine candidates against COVID-19, including projects with the U.S. firms CureVac, Inovio Pharmaceuticals, Moderna, who began trials in mid-March, and with the University of Queensland in Australia. Depending on the success of their clinical trials, the pharmaceutical company could have 1 million doses available by December for further testing and/or a potential emergency situation that garners official approval for use. According to TechCrunch, approval for official use, however, will likely take about a year to a year and a half.